Hi, I am Neelakandan, TPGIT from Vellore. The subject name is Probability and Random Process. In Probability and Random Process, first of all, we are learning that the unit for power spectral density. The definition is the power spectral density definition is the Fourier transform of autocorrelation function, that is Rxx of tau, that is autocorrelation function, is called power spectral density. It is denoted by Sxx of omega, that is power spectral density function. This is autocorrelation function. Okay. Next, the Sxx of omega is Sxx of omega is equal to the Fourier of autocorrelation function, that is Rxx of tau. The Fourier of autocorrelation function is called power spectral density function. So Sxx of omega equal to this Fourier transform of Rxx of tau, that is defined by integral minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau into e power minus I omega tau into d tau by inverse Fourier transform is Rxx of tau equal to the inverse Fourier of power spectral density function, that is Sxx of omega. It is defined by Rxx of tau equal to 1 divided by 2 pi in the integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega e power I omega tau into d tau, d omega, e power I omega tau into d omega. Next one is problem. First problem, find the spectral density function if given that autocorrelation function. So Rxx of tau is equal to e power minus alpha modulus of tau. Now we want to find out this Sxx of omega, that is solution. Now the spectral density function is the Sxx of omega equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau into e power minus I omega tau into d tau. That is formula for find out that the Sxx of omega. Now substitute this Rxx of tau function, that is given function. So substitute, we get integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus alpha into modulus of tau into this e power I theta form. So we want writing the cos theta plus minus I sin theta form. So e power minus I omega tau is can be written as cos omega tau minus I sin omega tau into d tau. Next step, we want to multiply the splitter two term, that is integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus alpha into modulus of tau into cos omega tau into d tau minus I into e power minus alpha into modulus of tau into sin omega tau into d tau. Here this is sin function is odd function, this is cos function is even function. So this integral values are odd function of integral value is 0. Only you want to take this even function, that is this is even function. So you want to change the limit, one multiply 2 in multiple 2 into limit is changed 0 to infinity e power minus, remove this modulus, only take this positive, e power minus alpha into tau into cos omega tau into d tau. This integral values is 0. Now using this basic formula, since integral 0 to infinity e power ax into cos bx into dx equal to a divided by a square plus b square. Here minus a is equal to minus alpha, b is equal to omega. Substitute this value in above term, we get the Sxx of omega equal to 2 into alpha divided by alpha square plus omega square. That's all. The second problem, find the power spectral density of a WSS process, that is wide sense stationary process with autocorrelation function. That is, the autocorrelation function is given Rxx of tau is equal to e power minus alpha into tau lambda square. That is tau square. Sorry, this one is tau square. Small correction, this one is tau square. This one is Rxx of tau is equal to e power minus alpha into tau square. Given or here is also tau square. Autocorrelation function Rxx of tau is equal to e power minus alpha into tau square. So Sxx of omega is equal to, find out this Sxx of omega, that is power spectral density function. That is, formula is the Fourier transform of this autocorrelation function, that is denoted by Sxx of omega equal to the Fourier of Rxx of tau. That is Sxx of omega equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau into e power minus I omega tau into d tau. Now substitute this value, this function here, we get integral minus infinity to plus infinity, the e power minus alpha into tau square, e power minus I omega tau into d tau. Base are equal, so take this minus on outside, can be written as in this form e power minus alpha tau square minus I omega tau into d tau. Next one, you want to take this minus alpha outside in common, so e power minus alpha into tau square plus I omega divided by alpha into tau. This form is a square plus 2ab form. So, can be written as in this form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square form. So, expand this, that is the minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus alpha into tau square plus this is a square plus 2ab form. So, 2ab I omega divided by alpha into tau. Here a is tau, b is I omega divided by 2 alpha, I omega divided by 2 alpha, that is b. Here also on 2, that is that 2 and 2, denominator 2 and numerator 2 are cancel. So 2ab I omega divided by alpha into tau plus 1b, b square term is add and subtraction. So I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square minus I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square. So now here writing that this term a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b the whole square form, that is integral minus infinity to plus infinity minus alpha into tau plus I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square minus this term minus I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square into d tau. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus alpha into tau plus I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square into this minus sign is multiply here, minus into minus plus, so e power alpha into I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square into d tau. Now take it this constant term outside, only tau is function here, so this is constant function, take it this outside. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus root of, this is rewrite form, that is root of alpha into tau plus I omega divided by 2 alpha the whole square into d tau. Put x is equal to root alpha into tau plus I omega divided by 2 alpha. Only inside of bracket, that only you want to take it this capital X. Next one dx, both side differentiate, we get dx is equal to root alpha into d tau, this is constant 0. Therefore the d tau is equal to dx divided by root alpha. Limit is no changes, same limit. Okay. Next e power minus omega square divided by 4 alpha divided by root of alpha integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power this capital X minus x square into dx. This 1 by root alpha is taken this outside. Since minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square into dx, integral value is root pi. So e power minus omega square divided by 4 alpha divided by root alpha into root pi. So this is can be written as sxx of omega is equal to e power minus omega square divided by 4 alpha into the square root of pi by alpha. The sum is over. Third sum. Find the autocorrelation function for which power spectral density function is given by. Here given power spectral density function, we want to find out this Rxx of function, that is autocorrelation function. We want to find out that. Here using inverse Fourier transform formula, that is solution to find Rxx of tau. Rxx of tau is equal to inverse Fourier transform of Sxx of omega. This formula is defined by Rxx of tau is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega e power I omega tau into d omega. Substitute this function in this question. This interval is splitted. This is mod omega less than or equal to 1. So this limit is minus 1 to plus 1. One spread this. This is mod omega less than or equal to 1. This limit is minus 1 to plus 1. In this interval, function is taken that 1 plus omega square. Otherwise, remaining interval is this. That is function is 0. So 1 divided by 2 pi minus 1 to plus 1 into 1 plus omega square into e power I omega tau into d omega. Now differentiate. This is omega function. This is also omega function. So you want using integral of u dv form. This is you want to take this u. This is you want to take this dv. So next you want to expand this e power I theta form. So 1 divided by 2 pi into integral minus 1 to plus 1 plus omega square into cos omega tau plus I sin omega tau into d omega. Now create some same model, multiply this 1 plus omega square inside, you splitted this two integral function. Only that is odd function, so this is removed. Only one take this even function. So 1 divided by 2 pi into 2 into 0 to 1. Change the limit. 1 plus omega square into cos omega tau into d omega. Now using this basic formula, that is since integral of u dv form. This is u, this is dv. This is the omega function, this is also omega function. So integral u dv form, uv minus u dash into v1. This is the differentiation of u is u dash. Integral of v is v1. Next, plus minus plus minus. This is the alternative sign, plus minus etc. This is u double dash is differentiation of u dash is u double dash. V2 is the integration of V1, that is V2, etc. Now here u is equal to 1 plus omega square, dv is equal to cos omega tau. So using this formula, we get 1 divided by pi into cancelling this 2. So you want to write this 1 by pi into 1 plus omega square into this is dv. So integrate, we get v, that is integration of cos omega tau is sin omega tau divided by tau minus 2 omega into the integration of, this is differentiation of 1 plus omega square is 2 omega, integration of sin omega tau divided by tau, that is minus cos omega tau divided by tau square. Next one plus differentiation of 2 omega, that is 2, integration of this term minus cos omega tau divided by tau square, that is minus sin omega tau divided by tau cube. Limit is 0 to 1. Now you want to apply the upper limit for this function. So 1 plus omega is equal to 1, you want to apply. So 1 plus 1 is 2 sin tau divided by omega is 1. So sin tau divided by tau plus 2 into cos minus into minus plus 2 cos tau divided by tau square. Here is minus into plus into minus 2 into sin tau divided by tau cube. Upper limit is over. Next you want to apply lower limit. So minus sign here. Want to apply omega equal to 0 for this function. So here sin omega, that is you want to apply omega equal to 0, that is sin 0 values equal to 0. The sin 0 values are 0. Next one here omega equal to 0. So this is my all functions are 0. Here sin 0 values are 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 0. Next answer is, we want to take this 2 is common outside. So 2 divided by pi into, want to take this LCM, that is 1 divided by tau cube, take this outside. Next want writing that tau square into sin tau plus tau into cos tau minus sin tau. Sum is over. Fourth sum. Find the autocorrelation function for which power spectral density function is given by. Here power spectral density function is given. You want to find out this autocorrelation function. Solution to find Rxx of tau. So on you know that formula Rxx of tau is equal to the inverse Fourier transform of Sxx of omega. The formula is inverse Fourier transform is 1 divided by 2 pi into minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega e power I omega tau into d omega. Here this function is pi and limit is minus 1 to plus 1, same as previous sum model. Modulus of omega less than or equal to 1. So 1 divided by 2 pi into minus 1 to plus 1. This function is pi. So e power I omega tau into d omega. Now integrate, take this outside, pi are cancel. So 1 divided by 2 into integral minus 1 to plus 1 e power I omega tau into d omega. Now integrate, we get equal to 1 divided by 2 into e power I omega tau divided by I tau minus 1 to plus 1. So you want to apply the upper limit 1 divided by 2 into, take this I tau outside. So 1 divided by 2 I tau. So you want remaining function is e power I omega tau, limit is minus 1 to plus 1. Now apply the upper limit e power I tau omega equal to 1 you want to put there, you get e power I tau minus, here you want to put omega is equal to minus 1, so e power minus I tau. This formula is e power I tau minus e power minus I tau divided by 2i. This values can be written as sin tau. Here extra term is 1 divided by tau is extra term. So final answer is Rxx of tau equal to 1 divided by tau into sin tau. That is autocorrelation function. Sum is over. Next exercise sum. Find fast spectral density function of random process whose autocorrelation function is given. That is autocorrelation function. Here you want to take this limit minus 1 to plus 1 limit. So solution and the answer is Sxx of omega equal to 2 by omega square into 1 minus cos omega. You work out this, check this answer. Thank you.